Updating your payment information on YouTube is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your account is up to date. Step 1. Sign in. Log into your YouTube account using your credentials. Make sure you are using the account associated with the payment information you want to update. Step 2. Access settings. Click on your profile picture in the top right corner, then select Settings from the drop-down menu. This will take you to your account settings page. Step 3. Go to Billing. In the Settings menu, look for the Billing or Payments section. Click on it to view your current payment methods and billing information. Step 4. Update payment methods. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the issrock.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 5. Save changes. After entering your new payment information, make sure to save the changes. Look for a confirmation message to ensure your payment information has been successfully updated. Now you are all set. Keeping your payment information current helps ensure uninterrupted access to YouTube services.